Now, today we'll be looking at simply stripping some old hard drives that I had. The one on the left is probably the oldest, right? It's about 15 years. The one in the middle, likely about 10 years. Yeah, and you can see the one I have here. This one's this one's already pre-opened. Yeah, but it's pretty new. And basically, the tool we need, or basically, what I use is a very sharp knife, and then a Swiss Army knife because it's thicker, it has the strength, and you'll see that most of the thing you need to do here is prying. Okay, so let's start with the oldest one. I think most of these hard drives you can see they're all put together via snaps and yeah, little plastic pieces in between. So there's really no need for a screwdriver. All you need is a strong knife that can go between the gap and start prying it. Of course, those kind of iFixit tools will help, but a strong Swiss Army knife, that'll do the trick right here. And when you open up these hard drives, typically you'd see, when you open up these hard drives, typically inside you have what is traditionally, I think this is a 2.5 inch hard HDD, right? And it will sometimes be attached to an external little adapter that allows you, to directly input some of the proprietary adapter, or mini USB, USB-C, etc., from your typical SATA plug that you would have when you put it straight into your computer itself. Now here, this one's pretty tightly screwed in, so I'll fast forward a little bit. You can see I'm struggling to get it off with the various screws, and ultimately what I need is to have one of the screws with the jagged edges round, and then to clamp it down with another tool where you'll see later on, and then to make use of a little plier to really put the strength in and try to twist it out. I mean, bear in mind, this is like a like a 15-year-old hard drive, right? So it might be because of that, but it might be because they're just very tightly screwed in. But yeah, here you can see I'm making some progress and pulling it out. So you can see as the metal case comes off, you would have the little adapter that you can just pull right off, and there you go. This is what you typically have when you buy a hard disk drive for your PC, so you don't really have to waste money for it. You just have to strip one of your older external hard drive, and yeah, you get that extra 200 gig, 500 gig, terabyte, etc. Okay, and here I'm showing you a few examples of some I've already pre-opened. So you could see it's basically the same thing. Another adapter here that I left in, this one with a little LED output, right? But you see, it's typically the same thing. Typical SATA adapter that you have to pull it off, and once you do, you get a perfectly usable hard disk that you can directly install into your PC. Thanks for watching, and let me know what else you have in the comments below in terms of questions. Cheers.